فَبِمَا أَغْوَيْتَنِي, because you made me slip, because you made me do wrong, you trapped me into it. Secondarily, he blames Allah too. لَأَقْعُدَنَّ لَهُمْ صِرَاطَكَ الْمُسْتَقِيمِ, I will sit waiting for them. قَعَدَ lahu in Arabic means to sit somewhere and wait to ambush somebody. Qa'ada means to sit somewhere, and with a lam means to wait, and you're waiting to ambush somebody. Like imagine on outside the door, one of you guys is behind the door of the masjid with a baseball bat, waiting for your friend to come out. Not with a baseball bat, maybe flowers or something, I don't know. But the idea is you hide and you wait for somebody to show up and then you attack them. And somebody who's waiting in ambush is exposing himself or not? He's not exposing himself. And does he attack all the time or at the right moment? He waits for the right moment and then he attacks, right? So that's captured inside لَأَقْعُدَنَّ لَهُمْ صِرَاطَكَ الْمُسْتَقِيمِ. I will be on the straight path, but I won't come out all the time. I'll find the right moment, and then I'll slip something in and slip out before they can realize I was there and that I said something to them. ثُمَّ لَآتِيَنَّهُمْ مِنْ بَيْنِ أَيْدِيهِمْ, then I will come at them from right in front of them. What is right in front of us? The straight path leads to Jannah. I will come at them and say, don't go here, don't go to Jannah. Jannah is too far, man. I gave you something right now. Why you got to work for Jannah? I'll give them short-term benefits. I'm giving you one of the many interpretations of each. He'll come at them from in front of them. وَمِنْ خَلْفِهِمْ, I'll come from behind them. I'll come from behind them, pulling them. You know, somebody who's attacking you from behind wants you to stop. You're making progress and they want you to stop. And they want you to head back. This expression is used in the Quran. انقلبتم على أعقابكم, you're going to turn back on your heels, you're going to reverse. You were making progress towards Allah, you start reversing. I will see that they're making progress and I'll start yanking them back. I'll attack them from behind. وعن شمائلهم وعن أيمانهم وعن شمائلهم, I'll come at them from their right and from their left. This has been interpreted in many ways, but their right means they'll be among good company, I'll still come to them. They'll be in bad company, I'll still come to them. Because on your yameen, you're doing good. I'll come. And the right side is associated with good deeds. The left side is associated with bad deeds. So from their right, even when they're doing good deeds, I'll still slip myself in. Even when you're reading Quran, he'll slip himself in. That's why Allah says, فَإِذَا قَرَأْتَ الْقُرْآنَ فَاسْتَعِذْ بِاللَّهِ مِنَ الشَّيْطَانِ الرَّجِيمِ. When you're reading Quran, seek refuge of Allah from Shaytaan. Why? You're doing a good deed. What Shaytaan got to do with a good deed? No, I'll come at them when they're doing good deeds. I'll attack them when they're doing bad deeds. I won't stop.